Alright, about to get started and set up my MetaMask onto my laptop. So what I'll do is click on get started. I do already have a seed phrase, but for this, what I'm going to do is click yes, let's get that set up to create a new wallet. Alright, so what you want to do is grab a pen and paper and write down the information that you are about to get after we move on to the next screen. Do not screenshot it, do not take a picture of it. Grab a pen and a piece of paper and write this down and keep it in a secure location. Reason being, this is the password to your wallet, and anyone with this password can gain access to your wallet and send your funds to another location. So in order to prevent that, you want to write it down. And the reason you want to write it down is because if you take a picture, it is stored on your iCloud, and your iCloud can be hacked, or you can always lose your phone, and then you would be exposed in regards to your information. So the best way around that is just to grab a good old pen and pad and write down the information. Okay. So alright, create wallet. Now, what does this say? No, thank you. Now what you're going to need to do is create a password for your wallet that is separate from your private key that you are about to write down. So whatever you make your password, you also want to write this down, and the password will be device specific. As long as you know remember your private key and insert that, you'll be prompted to set up a new password on a new device whenever you were to do so. So in the event that you're setting up MetaMask on your cellular device, in addition to your desktop, there will be a separate password that you would have for both of those devices. So keep that in mind as well. I'm just going to write down what my password is for this wallet. Now what this is a short 1 minute and 35-second video that just explains various things in regards to your secret recovery phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to play this before I click next so that you can understand a little bit better what this means.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds. To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at MetaMask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase. If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
So yeah, that was just a brief understanding in regards to how powerful your secret recovery phrase is, also known as your seed phrase. So definitely make sure you write this down and you keep it in a very, very safe place to prevent any type of unnecessary transactions occurring from out of your wallet, right? So I'm going to pause this video so I can write down my seed phrase to prevent it from showing on the screen, and when we come back, we'll be continuing on with the process. And you just want to double check and make sure you have input your seed phrase correctly. And once it's entered correctly, you will see this congratulations screen, letting you know that you passed the test and to keep your information secure. All right.